Okay, just for the record, my lab doesn't normally look like this. This really isn't even my lab. This is where I do my teaching while we're in this environment. But I'm doing all my research here in the afternoons, so I started slowly grabbing pieces here and there out of the lab, bringing them in here. Next thing you know, I've got a Allen Bradley Ultra 3000 set up, wired in. I am currently trying to set up the encoders. I believe I've got it on my first attempt, which that's not something's wrong. I'm not comfortable with that. I'm not going to buy it yet. I am interfacing these to a Fanuc red top, and these are the old Allen Bradley encoders. I've got the encoder out. I haven't enabled the motor yet. I've got to figure out how to do that. I was more concerned about the encoder, whether it would read or not. But I can turn the encoder here. Thank goodness for some of the posts on CNC Zone, because I had to use pull-out resistors. But if you look, you see where it says position motor feedback? Should see it change. There you go. I'm moving the encoder with my finger. So I don't have the encoder temperature hooked up or anything like that, but you can see the A and B moving. See? So I'm pretty stoked. I did, thank goodness, because I wasn't getting nothing. I had to add these pull-up resistors to the input side. I've got some other wires that I'm not 100% sure where they go. This part is working right now, but I've got the motor hooked up. I'm probably here in a little bit going to enable it and then see what happens, see what kind of magic smoke comes out. I'll get back with that video and we'll do an update. But the secret to this was the pull-up resistors. We'll see what happens from here. Probably going to put it back together now that I know that I got the signal coming out of it. I've got to hook up the temperature sensor too before I do anything else. Probably not super important for what I'm doing, but I'm pretty stoked. I'm actually pretty excited about this. This looks like it'll be a game changer for this project I'm working on. But I'll update everybody. But this is for the Fanuc red top with an Allen Bradley 3000, Ultra 3000. This is a 20, 020. I'm running on, believe it or not, I didn't even realize it when I bought it. I knew I could run it on single phase, but I didn't know this would run on low voltage single phase at 120 volts. Now obviously, I'm not going to run it at that, but this is just for testing purposes. Honestly, I'm hoping I don't blow the breakers down here because I'll have to reset all my servers behind me too. So, but this is just for testing and configuration. On a side note, in case anybody wonders, that's a null modem back there. I dug for an hour trying to find one of those. It's not like serial communications are real common, but I've got a lot of configurations left to do. But I just wanted to update my friends that were following me, following the project, and I am not 100% sure, to be truthfully honest with you, that those are in the correct order, but I will figure it out eventually. The update hopefully will be coming tomorrow.